subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo has relaunched the Oppo A53 smartphone in China with 5G support, and it is completely different from the Oppo A53 4G smartphone that was launched in August this year. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A53 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and a tall 90.5% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Oppo A53 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a square module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, and it houses a 4040 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75 by 7.9 mm and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A53 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage option at 1,299 Chinese yuan, while the pricing details for the 6GB plus 128GB storage variant is yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Lake Green, Secret Night Black and Steamer Purple color options, and it will go on sale starting from December 22nd. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A53 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.